Evaluating nationwide metropolitan areas for growth. Within the Business Analyst application, a user can go into the Map section and define areas by selecting a geography. Here you'll notice the option to select from the map. Notice how many geography options that we have, ranging from state or countrywide level to DMAs and CBSAs, all the way down to the block group level. In this case, we're interested in looking at the metropolitan areas and the contiguous 48 states. Here, we can select all of them by going to the Select key in the top right-hand corner and highlighting the entire United States. Here you'll see there's 917 metro areas in the lower 48. Next, you'll notice the opportunity to combine the selected geographies into a single site. I'm not interested in doing this because I want to compare all of the different MSAs. I want to run a benchmark comparison report that allows me to look at all of these different MSAs at once and look for specific variables that I'm interested in. Here, I can go into the next category and choose the variable of interest. I'm specifically interested in looking at population growth. I'm going to search for the keyword of growth, and I want to look at the projected growth from 2025 to 2030. So the annual compounded growth. Now within the comparison report tool, we can see all of the different metro areas categorized here. If I want to visualize the metro growth, I can show high to low on my metro area. I can also organize from top to bottom the population growth for each of these different CBSAs and get a corresponding ranking or even export the data to Excel.